The Bifrost Wallet stands out as one of the most secure and versatile solutions for crypto storage today. Its primary strength lies in its multi-chain compatibility, allowing users to manage assets across Ethereum, Bitcoin, Binance Smart Chain, and several other blockchains, all within a single interface. This eliminates the need for multiple wallets and reduces the risk of mismanagement or loss of funds. Security is a core feature of Bifrost Wallet. It employs advanced encryption protocols, ensuring that private keys are stored securely on the user's device and never exposed to external servers. Biometric authentication, including fingerprint and face recognition, adds an additional layer of protection. Furthermore, Bifrost supports hardware wallet integration, allowing users to combine the convenience of a mobile or desktop wallet with the security of offline storage. The wallet also excels in usability. Its interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy for both beginners and experienced traders to navigate. Users can view balances, track transactions, and monitor real-time market prices without leaving the wallet. The wallet includes portfolio management tools that allow users to see the overall performance of their assets in dollars, helping them make informed decisions quickly. Bifrost Wallet also supports staking and DeFi integration, enabling users to earn passive income directly from their wallet without transferring funds to external platforms. Its fast transaction processing and low fees make moving assets simple and cost-effective. Another notable feature is its cross-platform support. The wallet is available on mobile, desktop, and browser extensions, ensuring access to funds anytime and anywhere. Regular updates and active customer support provide users with confidence that their assets remain safe and up to date with the latest blockchain developments. Overall, Bifrost Wallet combines robust security, seamless multi-chain management, and advanced functionality, making it a top choice for anyone looking to store, manage, and grow their cryptocurrency holdings efficiently.